so I'm back again. It's week 5 of our fiber gift, and this week we're doing a tool. So with our tool, this is a different one because we've had this one made locally, and it is the tulip shuttle. So, and a lot of people are saying, what's a tulip shuttle? Well, it's kind of a cross. It's a mix. I actually like this shuttle because it can be on floor looms as well as rigid huddle. And they come in 2 lengths. We have an actual 24-inch. We've got a 16-inch. And with these are going to be 20% off of these. But what I wanted to explain a little bit about these was they're real specific with the ends of them. And so the end is very much a curved end. As you're going through the shed, it's not really grabbing the bottom layer of threads, which is very helpful. So you can lay it this way, or you could actually do it this way. So to me, these are great, and they're a very low profile, which is sometimes you need those when you're trying to get your, if you have a very low shed. I do want to explain a little bit about these. We did put holes on 2 ends, and our 2 ends here. So what I'm doing here is I'm going through the hole, as you can see, and I'm just pulling it out. So from this point right here, I actually can tie this, all right, to secure it so that it's not going to come out, or it's not going to come undone once I start winding it. So I can tie that, and then in this case, I'm literally winding it around like this so that when the shuttle is actually going to go through the shed, the threads are not going to rub. Like, you know, this is what's going to rub up against. So I think these are a really great tool. We just got them in, so they're very new to our shop. Most of us have tried these in the shop. We enjoy them, especially for rigid huddle. And believe it or not, they will hold a fair amount of yarn. You wouldn't think they are, but if you're doing a longer 32-inch width or something like this, it'd be a great shuttle to go through. They're really nice. They're finished, so you don't have to finish them. But hope you try these with